Tashidale. My name is Tenzin Wangchuk, and I'm currently a student studying at Baruch College in New York City. This is my 4th time attending the Buddhism conference organized by the Office of Tibet. This is a great experience because of the environment and the speakers. The workshops are specifically designed for students, so the message is more direct and much clearer. One great thing I found for myself was that you get to ask questions to the speakers. So for me, I had a specific question about karma and the mystical aspects of it, because with my experience in science, I found it a little bit hard to understand that part of it. So I asked Geshe Damdul Namgyala, and we had a discussion about the physics of karma, which I found to be very enlightening. So if you have any questions, general or specific about Buddhism, I strongly urge you to sign up for the next Buddhism conference. The information to sign up should be attached to this video. Like I said, you get to meet great people, speakers such as Geshe Tubten Jimbala, Telo Tulku Rinpoche, Geshe Damdul Namgyala, Geshe Lobsang Tenzin, and Lama Pema Wangchuk. This is an underutilized resource, so I strongly recommend that you sign up for the next year, and all your questions will be answered. Thank you.